Welcome back to the channel. Here today we are going to talk about a very serious topic, one that affects all of us. The myth that income tax is compulsory. Now, I know what you're thinking. Everyone knows that income tax is compulsory. That's just how it is. Well, hold on a second, because the ATO itself, the Australian Taxation Office, admits that income tax is voluntary. Let me show you. This is from their own website. It's in their accountant's charter. Now, I've contacted the ATO and asked them to clarify this, because most of us thought we were born into a system that was compulsory, that we had no choice but to participate in. But this document clearly states that it is voluntary. Now, I want you to focus on the bold text here. The system runs on self-assessment. You declare the income. You sign the forms. Without your consent, nothing moves. That's the catch. So if it's voluntary, why do we all behave like it's compulsory? Why do we pay our taxes without question? Because we've all been tricked into being good little slaves. Now, if you're an employee, you have very little control over your paperwork. It's done for you by your employer. But if you're a contractor, even more freedom. You issue the invoices. You control the paperwork. So if it's voluntary, why are so many people still stressed out about it? Because they don't know the rules. Because they don't understand what's in this document here, the accountant's charter. It's on the ATO website. Now, this document clearly states that income tax is voluntary. But there is a way to make it completely go away. And no, I'm not talking about setting up some elaborate offshore trust. I'm talking about setting up an unincorporated common law trust account right here in Australia. Because once you understand how an unincorporated common law trust account works, it becomes very clear that it's the best way to separate liability, protect your assets, and take yourself out of their corporate net. That's what Commonwealth Custodians helps people do. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Who really owns the ATO? Who's really running it? Because if you Google it, you'll find out that the rumor has it that BlackRock has its hands on it. If that's true, who are you really paying tax to? Because you think you're paying it to the government, but maybe you're wrong. So please, everyone, take 5 minutes to read this document for yourself. It's on the ATO website. It's the accountant's charter. And then ask yourself, am I really paying tax to the government, or am I being taxed by a private company that is just playing pretend with the government? Because if you think about it, it makes perfect sense. Think about the amount of money they could make by controlling the tax office. So next time you hear someone say income tax is compulsory, it's all right here. But don't take my word for it. Take the ATO's word for it. Remember, income tax is voluntary. Disclaimer: this is educational content only, not financial or legal advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making decisions. Thank you and God bless. Commonwealth Custodians Community.